Hi, before we actually start with our finding volume today, I wanted to go over some important things to know. When we were doing area, these were two-dimensional shapes. So that's why we listed everything as square units. Sometimes we even use the 2 as an exponent, okay? So remember, these are two-dimensional. Now, if you notice, volume has got 3 dimensions to it. So volume, always remember this formula, length times width times height. This is the easiest thing to remember, okay? Now, they're also going to tell you right up here in each of these rectangular prisms, we can also use the formula base times height. And when they talk about base times height, it's really the base area, okay? So we're going to go right into this. So take a look at number 1. So we have got something times something times something. Well, they're already giving us our base area, which is 56. So it could be a possible different amounts. But I'm just going to say maybe this is 8, this is 7. So they're doing the hard part for us. They've already multiplied these two values to get our base area, which is 56. And so all you have to do is take 56 and then multiply it by its height. So yes, you can use your calculator. Please use your Google Classroom or your calculator, whatever is on your Chromebook. Okay, so when you solve for number 1, your answer is going to be 336. And if you like just writing it with an exponent, these don't have any units associated, but we are going to label it as centimeters. And then now, since this is volume, we're going to deal with the exponent of 3. So volume actually means how many cubes could actually fill this entire rectangular prism, okay, without having any spaces in it. So that's why we do our length times width times our height. Okay, so think of it as like a fish tank, something that can actually contain something. So area is a little bit different. It's only 2 dimensionals. So if we take a look again at number 2, they've already done the hard part. So they've already figured out the bottom area is 72. So all you have to do is then multiply 72 times 9, and you should get 648 centimeters cubed. Now, if you don't like writing that, there is another way of being able to identify this as volume. So you could put 648. You can actually abbreviate cubic, and then we can put centimeters here. So either way, whether you like using your exponent or abbreviate with cubic, you can do either one. Okay. All right, so last one as for practice over here. This one is the easiest. Here's your length, width, height. And remember, it does not matter. Multiplication is commutative. So whether you multiply your 6 times your 5 first and then your 6, it doesn't matter. You're still going to get your same exact answer. So you're just multiplying all 3 of those together and you get 180 centimeters cubed. So once you finish up with this worksheet, the graded, make sure you turn it in to me, and that way I can go ahead and score your results. So this is the easiest one out of everything we've been doing all week. So get that as soon as possible to me. Like I said, you can use your calculator. All right, thanks.